There comes a time in your life, not everyone's, but people who want to change, when you hit a point that forces you to look at yourself. Some call it rock bottom, some call it a wake up call. Everyone's version is different. But it's the moment when you realize I need to make a change. And the hardest changes are always the ones at work. Changing your environment, changing your surroundings, changing your habits, and yes, changing your circle. That's the brutal part. Because if you want a new life, you've got to build a new identity. And to build a new identity, you've got to burn the old one. And burning the old identity means burning the people, the habits, and the environments that are attached to it. It's brutal. It's upsetting. It's emotional. And sometimes you cut people you still care about. Not because they're bad, because they are attached to a version of you that cannot come into the future. If you want healthy habits, if you want purpose, if you want more from life, you cannot stay surrounded by the things that built the old you. The start is the hardest part because at the start you are forced into isolation. Not because you want to be alone, because you're rebuilding. It's lonely, it's tough, it's uncomfortable. You wake up and remind yourself, I'm not that person anymore. And you have to consciously show up every day as a new version of you. Eat differently, think differently, act differently, make different decisions, and say no more often. And if you do come into contact with people that knew the old you, you feel it. You feel the pullback. You feel the expectation that you're still that person. And the only way to break that expectation isn't by convincing anyone. It's by being and staying disciplined and consistent. Because discipline compounds, consistency compounds, and over time, you start attracting a different type of person into your life, different opportunities, different conversations, and different energy. That's when you know the identity shift is sticking. But no one talks about the transition period, the 6 months to 12 months, when you are stuck between who you were and who you want to be. It's absolutely brutal. It's emotional. It's confusing. It feels like you're just losing everything, but you're not. You're not losing. You are clearing space. And if you grind it out and stay committed, your whole life changes so much for the better that you'll never look back. You'll never regret the people you had to cut. You understand exactly why it had to happen. And that is where I am right now. I'm grinding it out one day at a time, building my new identity and letting go of the old version of me. SalesBots and the SalesBot Academy are the purpose and the structure that's driving that change. This is the path. It's hard. It's lonely. But the upside is absolutely life changing. And let me tell you, I am not stopping.